Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. 6b exercise question number 4. Its A part is, dear students, see here 3a minus 5 and 4a minus 1. Both are different denominator and they can't be simplified further. So take different terms as LCM, like that 3a minus 5 and then 4a minus 1. This is our LCM. You know that how can we take LCM if this is one term and this is another term of second denominator, and we want to find its LCM like this. We will divide by 3a minus 5. It will become 1 and this will be written same 4a minus 1. Now second time we will divide it by 4a minus 1 because this is now this become 1 and this is also 1. So this is our LCM as I have written it here. Divide this LCM by this number. If we divide it by this number minus 5 divided by this whole LCM will be written here 3a minus 5 into 4a minus 1. Divide this whole LCM by this first denominator of first fraction. It will be cancelled and this is our answer. This answer is multiplied by numerator 4a minus 1. I have written this answer here and this numerator here. Now this plus sign, or if there is minus sign then minus sign, this plus sign here. Now divide this whole LCM or denominator by this denominator. This denominator will be cancelled and it will be our answer, just like that 3a minus 5 into 4a minus 1 divided by this denominator 4a minus 1. It will be cancelled by this and this is our answer. So write it here 3a minus 5. Now in the next step we have to multiply these. 3 4s are 12, a square, a multiplied by a square minus 3a multiplied by 1 3a, then plus 4a 4 multiplied by 3, answer is 12, and a multiplied by a square, and 4 multiplied by 5 20, and a will be there. In the denominator we will write 3a minus 5 and 4a minus 1. It will be written as such. Now bring the same terms together. 12a square plus 12a square minus 3a and minus 20a. Same type of terms are written together, and in the denominator I have written same. Now you know that 12a square plus 12a square, it will become 24a square, and minus 3a and minus 20a both are same sign. We will add same sign. It will become 23a, and in the denominator 3a minus 5 into 4a minus 1. See here b part, 2b plus 1 2b plus 1 are the denominators, and we will take LCM of this 2b plus 1. This one, first denominator and second denominator is 2b plus 1 whole square. Divide it by 2b plus 1. It will become 1 and it will be 2b plus 1 one time it will remain. Now again we have to divide 2b plus 1, so that will become 1 and it is also 1. So 2b plus 1 2b plus 1 into 2b plus 1. It is our LCM. You can write it like this, or you can write it simply like that. So I have to write it simply in the simple factors, because if I multiply it, it will become complex. But here I need simplicity, so I have written it simplified form. Divide this by this, 1 will be cancelled and 1 will remain. So we should write here remainder, it will remain. If I divide this whole with the help of this, it will be cancelled and this will remain. Now this minus sign, and if I divide this number by this number, both will be cancelled. Only 1 will remain, because it is also 2 times and it is also 2 times same number. So only 2b into 1 will remain here. 1 due to this division. When this is divided by this, only 1 is answered. Now 5 multiplied by 2, 10. 10b plus 5, 5 ones are 5 here, and minus 2b here, 2b ones are 2b, and in the denominator 2b plus 1, 2b plus 1 is 2 times, so I have written it in the form of whole square. And here 10b minus 2b, 10b minus 2b and plus 5, 2b plus 1 whole square. After subtracting 2b from 10b, answer is 8b plus 5 over 2b plus 1 whole square. See here, it need to simplify. So h plus 5 over h is taken as common, and h minus 6. Here 3 over h minus 6. Now both the denominator have same h minus 6. So take this h minus 6 as common, and h is not common, it will be written here. While taking LCM, we can take common one time and not common also one time. So when h into h minus 6 is divided by this one, it whole will be cancelled and only 1 will remain. We will write here h plus 5 multiplied by 1, and this minus sign will be written here. When this whole number is divided by h minus 6, h minus 6 will be cancelled and h will be remain here. So we will multiply this h by 3. Now here h plus 5 and minus 3h over h into h minus 6. Subtract this h from minus 3h. 5 minus, when 3h is subtracted by h, the answer will remain minus 2h, because minus 3h is subtracted by 1h. Answer is minus 2h, and over there is h into h minus 6. Now see D part. Here different denominators and 3 fractions. So different denominator will be taken one time. M into m minus 4 into m minus 3. This is our LCM, because all the denominators are different. Divide this whole number, whole LCM, by this m. This m will be cancelled. Just like that, m into m minus 4 into m minus 3. Divide this LCM by this m, and this it will be cancelled and it will be our answer. We will write it here 1 into m minus 4 and m minus 3. Now we will divide this whole LCM by this one. It will be cancelled. M and m minus 3 will be our answer. So we will write it here, plus m when multiplied by 2, it will become 2m, and because m minus 4 has been cancelled, so m minus 3 will be also there, into m minus 3. And lastly, this will be cancelled with the help of this, and it will be there in the numerator, and you will also write this plus sign, then 3m, this m, and m minus 4 into m minus 4. Now we have to multiply these. Take m here, make its part m here, and m minus 3 in the bracket. Now minus 4 here and m minus 3 in the bracket. You will make this term in parts, and this term will be written same, m minus 3 and m minus 3 here again, and plus 2m when multiplied by m, it will become 2m square, and minus 3 when multiplied by 2, it will become 6m. 2 3 are 6 and m will be here, plus 3m square, and 3 4 are 12m there, and in the denominator you will write the same LCM. Now you see here that m multiplied by m square minus 3m minus 4m, due to this minus sign change the inner sign, plus 4 3 are 12. Now plus 2m square minus 6m plus 3m square minus 12m. Divide this whole by m into m minus 4, and m minus 3 will remain same. Now write the same terms at the same place. M square plus 2m square, this one, then plus 3m square, this one. Now minus 3m minus 4m, this minus 3m minus 4m, then minus 6m and minus 12m. Count number of terms: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I have missed one fraction. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Which one is missing? Minus 3 here, minus 4 here, plus 12 is missing. We should write here plus 12. Now the number of term is same, and we will write same here. You see that 1m, 2m and 3m. 3 and 2 5, 5 1 6, 6m square. Then all these carry minus sign. We will add these because same signs are added. So 3 and 4 7, 7 and 6, 7 and 6 makes 13, 13 and 12 makes 25, and there will be minus sign of 25m, then plus 12 over m into m minus 4 into m minus 3. See here, this denominator need to simplify, and all the other denominators are also already simplified. This 4y square over, this is a square minus b square, write it a plus b and a minus b, just like that. As you know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, this identity a minus b. I have explained these and I have proved all the identities. You can see my videos and you can understand these. It will be written as such. Now you see here, x minus y is common, x plus y and x plus y is common. Common will be taken one time only. I have taken x plus y, this is common, and x minus y, it is also common. This is our LCM. Divide this LCM by this number, it will be cancelled out and it will be our answer. So write it here, x plus y, this one, and this one, x plus y, this one, then plus here, divide this one by this, it will remain same. When we will divide this by this, answer is 1. We will write 1 here, and x square minus 4y square, and from here this minus sign, you will divide this by this x plus y, it will be cancelled and this will remain. So we will write it x minus y here, and this one here x minus 3y. Whatever you write first, this or this, no matter. Now we have to multiply these, and you know that a plus b, it is equal to a plus b whole square, because this number is 2 times. You know that this means that this one. So I have written it 2 times, and 1 is multiplied by this, so it will become x square minus 4y square, and this is also need to multiply, but due to this minus sign, you should use bracket here and write x here, this one, and write this one whole in the bracket. Similarly minus y here, and this whole term inside the bracket. Now bracket is closed, and it will be written same, x plus y and x minus y. Now you know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2a b plus b square, and this one is same, x square minus 4y square, and this is to multiply x square minus 3xy, this one, and minus xy, when y is multiplied by x, minus xy, and minus 3 multiplied by y is equal to 3y square. Bracket is closed, and in the denominator you will write x plus y and x minus y. You know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. I have applied here identity, and in this way I have solved it directly. And here there was impossible to apply any identity, therefore I multiplied it simply. Now you see here that after this multiplication, I have found the similar numbers. X square is similar to x square, and we have to write them together. X square plus x square, and y square is similar to this y square plus y square minus 4y square, and this plus 2xy is here, and then minus this one and this, yet need bracket here. X square minus 3 and minus 1 will make minus 4xy and minus 3y square, and in the denominator you will write same x plus y, this one, and x minus y, next term. And here we have another step. See here, 1x and 1x makes 2x. Dear student, I have written that step here on the next page. And now you know that 1x square makes 2x square, and this is plus minus sign and this is plus sign, different sign are always subtracted, so remove 1 from 4. Answer is 3 here, 3y square, and minus sign, greater sign is minus, so we will write here minus, and then plus 2xy. And due to this minus sign you will change the inner sign and remove the bracket. 2x square plus 4xy plus 3y square over will remain same term, x plus y into x minus y. And now you know that 2x square minus x square, this one, and minus 3y square and plus 3y square, same term, and plus 2xy and plus 4xy. Count the term, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. In the denominator you will write same. Now from 2x square you will remove 1x square, the answer will be only x square, and minus 3y square plus 3y square will cancel out each other, there will be 0 and we will not write 0 here, and 2xy plus 4xy gives 6xy, and in the denominator x plus y and x minus y. Sorry dear student, due to this minus sign we have to change inner sign while opening the bracket, so change this minus sign into plus sign, and this minus sign will become plus sign here, and here will be also a plus sign. Then due to this when I open the bracket, due to minus sign we will change the plus sign into minus sign, it will become minus, and due to this minus sign we will also write here minus, and if we write here minus then these will not be cancelled out, and then our answer will be minus 3y square plus and minus 3y square will make minus 3y, sorry, minus this minus 3y square will be here, minus 3y square, minus 3y square minus 3y square have same sign, so we will add these, and minus 6y square will be here, so it is our answer. Dear students, see here, these two denominators are simple and it is complex one, it need to simplify. Moreover, these are in proper arrangement, but its arrangement is need to be changed, so we will change its arrangement. 1 over minus 3 plus 2z, and here 2 over 3 minus 2z, and here 18 over, you can apply an identity, 3 square minus 2z square, just like a square minus b square. So I have applied here identity, just like a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. In the same way, I have applied here identity and I have written it here. I have changed its place, minus 3 first and 2z later, because these were in the same arrangement. Now this minus and here is plus, minus plus minus, here will be minus, and 1 over 3, sorry, we will take minus sign common here. We will take minus sign common here. No need to write it here yet, minus here, and due to this minus sign we will change the inner sign. It will become minus 2z, and here 2 over 3 minus 2z, and here 18 over a square minus b square, write it 2 times, 3 minus 2z and 3 plus 2z. Now you see that minus plus minus, and we have to find LCM of these numbers, 3 minus 2z, 3 minus 2z, 3 minus 2z and 3 plus 2z. From all the 3 minus 2z, 3 minus 2z is common, and from here 3 plus 2z, that is not common. Now divide this one by this number, and answer will be, this will be cancelled and this will be our answer. So write it here along with this minus sign. This one is here and this is here, 3 plus 2z, and when you will divide this number by this one, it will be cancelled again and this will be written, this minus sign will be here and 2 will be here, and this number will be again here, 3 plus 2z, and this plus sign here, this whole number is divided by this whole number, there will be 1 only, and we will multiply 18 by 1. In this way we can we should divide the LCM by the denominator of each number and then multiply the answer with the numerator. 1 3 are 3 minus 3 and minus 2z. Due to this minus sign we will change the inner sign. 2 3 are 6. Due to this minus sign, change the inner sign. 2 2 are 4z and plus 18 1s are 18. Now in the denominator we will write same, 3 plus 2z. Now you can see that minus 3 and minus 6 are same, and minus 2z minus 4z are same. So now see here, minus 2z and minus 4z plus 18 minus 6 and minus 3. Write same term together. Write same term together, minus 3 minus 6 plus 18 here, and minus 2z and minus 4z here. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. In the denominator you will write same, that is 3 minus 2z into 3 plus 2z. Now you can see that minus 3 minus 6 makes minus 9, same sign will be added, and plus 18, and minus 2 and minus 4z makes minus 6z, and in the denominator you will write the same, 3 minus 2z and 3 plus 2z. Now here from 18 subtract 9, answer is 9, because both carry different signs, so we will subtract and we will write the sign of bigger term, and then minus 6z. Over there is 3 minus 2z into 3 plus 2z. Now here you can take common 3 as common, so there will be 3 3s are 9, 3 here, and 3 2s are 6, 2z here, and in the denominator 3 minus 2z and into 3 plus 2z. 3 plus 2z and 3 minus 2z can be cancelled by this 3 minus 2z, so our answer will be 3 here in the numerator, and in the denominator is 3 plus 2z. So this is our answer. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.